Lockheed Martin has secured a historic $9.8 billion contract from the U.S. Army to produce 1,970 Patriot Advanced Capability, 3 Missile Segment Enhancement, PAC-3 MSE, interceptors, along with the associated support hardware. This unprecedented agreement marks the largest missile-related contract ever awarded to Lockheed Martin Missiles and Fire Control, underscoring the growing importance of advanced missile defense systems in the face of rapidly evolving global threats. The deal not only reinforces U.S. homeland security but also strengthens allied missile defense networks, highlighting the strategic significance of the PAC-3 MSE in modern warfare. As tensions and conflicts around the world continue to challenge existing defense capabilities, securing long-term access to these interceptors has become a top priority for military planners and defense policymakers alike. The PAC-3 MSE represents the latest generation of the Patriot air defense system, which has been continuously upgraded since its introduction to address increasingly sophisticated threats. Unlike earlier versions that relied on blast fragmentation technology, the PAC-3 MSE employs a hit-to-kill approach, using kinetic energy to directly intercept and destroy incoming targets with exceptional precision. This method allows the missile to neutralize ballistic and cruise missiles, advanced aircraft, and unmanned aerial systems with minimal collateral damage. The enhanced guidance systems, dual-pulse solid rocket motor, and larger control surfaces provide the interceptor with superior maneuverability and extended engagement range, making it one of the most capable air defense solutions currently deployed. Its adoption by 17 countries worldwide reflects both its technical reliability and its critical role in protecting national and regional security interests. The multi-year nature of the contract, spanning fiscal years 2024 through 2026, ensures a steady supply of interceptors in anticipation of increasing operational demands. Lockheed Martin had already begun expanding production capacity ahead of the contract award, particularly at its Camden, Arkansas manufacturing facility. Investments in facilities, workforce training, and advanced production technologies have enabled the company to ramp up output significantly, with plans to deliver over 600 interceptors in 2025 alone. This level of production not only meets immediate Army requirements but also supports Allied forces relying on the PAC-3 MSE as a central element of their air and missile defense strategies. Maintaining robust stockpiles has become increasingly critical as global security dynamics evolve, particularly in regions experiencing high-intensity conflicts and emerging missile threats. The strategic value of the PAC-3 MSE extends far beyond the contract's financial magnitude. Recent military engagements in Europe and the Middle East have highlighted the importance of having advanced air defense systems combined with sufficient inventories to sustain operations under prolonged and complex combat scenarios. The PAC-3 MSE has been combat-tested in real-world deployments, demonstrating reliable performance in intercepting hostile missiles and reinforcing its status as a cornerstone of contemporary air defense. The system's precision and ability to counter a diverse array of threats provide commanders with flexible options for protecting both strategic assets and forward-deployed forces, a capability that is becoming increasingly critical in the context of modern warfare. Emerging threats, including hypersonic missiles, highly maneuverable ballistic weapons, and coordinated drone swarms, have prompted a reassessment of traditional air defense paradigms. The PAC-3 MSE's advanced guidance and kinetic interception capabilities allow it to address these evolving challenges effectively. Its ability to engage multiple types of targets with high accuracy makes it a central component of layered missile defense networks, which combine radar detection, command and control systems, and interceptors to neutralize threats before they reach critical assets. The flexibility of the PAC-3 PAC-3 MSE also enables integration with allied defense systems, ensuring interoperability and coordination among partner nations, which is essential in multinational operations and coalition defense strategies. Lockheed Martin is committed to continuous innovation to maintain the PAC-3 MSE's technological edge. Investments in software enhancements, seeker upgrades, and improved system integration ensure that the missile remains effective against future threats. These improvements include refinements in target discrimination, faster response times, and greater adaptability to complex engagement scenarios. By keeping the PAC-3 MSE aligned with evolving threat environments, the company supports the U.S. Army's long-term strategy to maintain superior defensive capabilities and guarantees that Allied forces have access to one of the most advanced interceptors available. The combination of production scale, technical sophistication, and combat-proven reliability solidifies the PAC-3 MSE's reputation as a vital asset for national and international defense. The impact of this contract also extends to the broader defense industrial base. The large-scale production of PAC-3 MSE interceptors reinforces manufacturing infrastructure, supports skilled employment, and drives technological innovation in missile defense. By investing in facilities, workforce development, and advanced manufacturing processes, Lockheed Martin ensures that production capabilities remain resilient and capable of meeting both current and future demand. This industrial strength is critical in sustaining a competitive advantage in the global missile defense market, where emerging threats and geopolitical tensions continue to drive demand for reliable, high-performance interceptors. The timing of this contract reflects a broader strategic shift in how the U.S. Department of Defense and allied nations approach air defense readiness. In recent years, high-intensity conflicts have demonstrated that having advanced interceptors is insufficient without the capacity to deploy them in sufficient numbers and maintain operational readiness over extended periods. By securing nearly 2,000 PAC-3 MSE interceptors, the U.S. Army is ensuring that it has the means to defend against multiple, simultaneous threats and sustain operations in highly contested environments. This forward-looking approach aligns with the Army's broader strategy to integrate advanced technology, operational planning, and allied cooperation into a cohesive and highly effective missile defense posture. As global demand for high-performance missile defense systems continues to grow, the PAC-3 MSE remains a centerpiece of 21st-century air defense architecture. Its combination of precision, versatility, and combat-proven reliability makes it indispensable for modern military operations. The record-breaking contract reinforces not only the United States' defensive capabilities but also the collective security of allied nations that rely on interoperable systems to protect against emerging missile threats. By continuing to invest in both production and technological enhancement, Lockheed Martin and the U.S. Army are setting a benchmark for the future of missile defense, ensuring that forces worldwide are prepared to confront increasingly sophisticated threats with confidence and effectiveness. In conclusion, the $9.8 billion PAC-3 MSE contract represents a milestone in the evolution of missile defense. It strengthens U.S. homeland security, enhances allied defense readiness, and reinforces the industrial capacity required to sustain large-scale production of advanced interceptors. As global threats continue to evolve, the PAC-3 MSE stands out as a highly capable, adaptable, and reliable solution for protecting critical assets, responding to emerging dangers, and maintaining strategic advantage. The combination of advanced technology, proven operational effectiveness, and large-scale production ensures that the PAC-3 MSE will remain a central pillar of integrated air and missile defense systems for years to come.